Hey Globetrotters! Ever been stuck at the airport with a dead phone? Samsonite luggage with built-in USB ports is your solution. But before you plug in, make sure you're using the right battery pack. Not all chargers are created equal. Here's what to look for. A compact, lightweight design for ease of travel. A minimum of 10,000 mAh capacity for ample charging. Multiple USB outputs, safety certifications, and stick with reputable brands like Anker or RAV Power. Once you've got the right battery pack, it's time to connect. Locate the USB port on your Samsonite luggage. It's usually on the front or side pocket. Connect your battery pack using the supplied cable. Plug your devices into the charger and power it on. Remember, keep an eye on your devices as they charge. Follow Samsonite and TSA guidelines for hassle-free travel. Use a charger under 100 watt-hours, store it in your carry-on, and place it in a bin for screening at security. With these tips, you can confidently use the USB port on your Samsonite luggage and stay powered up wherever your adventures take you.